Have you ever wondered which diseases pose the greatest threat to humanity, quietly lurking in the shadows, waiting to strike when least expected? In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that might leave you feeling a bit uneasy, but it's crucial to be aware of. After all, knowledge is power. We're counting down the top 10 diseases that have shaped history, claimed millions of lives, and continue to impact us today. But before we begin, can you guess which disease has claimed more lives than any other? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Starting our list at number 10, we have Alzheimer's disease, a progressive neurological disorder that leads to memory loss, cognitive decline, and, ultimately, the inability to carry out even the simplest tasks. Alzheimer's is the most common cause of dementia in older adults, and its impact is devastating not only for those who suffer from it, but also for their families and caregivers. As life expectancy increases, the number of people affected by Alzheimer's is expected to rise, making it a critical area of research and public health focus. The emotional toll of Alzheimer's, combined with the lack of a cure, makes it one of the most challenging diseases we face today. At number 9, we have diabetes, a chronic condition characterized by high levels of sugar in the blood. If not managed properly, it can lead to serious complications, including heart disease, kidney failure, and blindness. There are two main types of diabetes. Type 1, which is usually diagnosed in childhood and requires insulin for management, and Type 2, which is often associated with lifestyle factors and is increasingly common in adults. The rise of obesity worldwide has led to a surge in Type 2 diabetes cases, making it a major public health concern. Managing diabetes requires ongoing medical care, lifestyle changes, and, in many cases, medication to prevent complications. Coming in at number 8 is COVID-19, a disease that needs no introduction as it has upended life across the globe since its emergence in late 2019. COVID-19 is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which spreads through respiratory droplets. Its rapid spread, high transmission rate, and the potential for severe complications, particularly in older adults and those with pre-existing conditions, have made it one of the most significant public health crises in recent history. The global response to COVID-19, including the development and distribution of vaccines, has been unprecedented, but the pandemic has also exposed vulnerabilities in healthcare systems and the importance of preparedness for future outbreaks. Number 7 on our list is smallpox, a disease that has shaped human history and is the only human disease to have been eradicated through vaccination, a monumental achievement in medical history. Smallpox was incredibly deadly, with a mortality rate of up to 30% in those who contracted it. The disease left survivors with permanent scars and, in many cases, blindness. The successful eradication of smallpox in 1980 stands as a testament to what can be achieved through global cooperation and vaccination efforts. However, the story of smallpox serves as a reminder of the devastation that diseases can bring and the importance of vigilance even after a disease has been defeated. At number 6, we have influenza, or the flu. Though it might seem less severe than others on our list, it's a highly contagious respiratory infection that can lead to serious complications, especially for the very young, elderly, and immunocompromised. Each flu season is a stark reminder of its ability to spread rapidly and cause significant mortality. Its frequent mutations make vaccine development a constant challenge. Number 5 is HIV/AIDS, a disease that became a global pandemic in the late 20th century. HIV weakens the immune system, making individuals vulnerable to other infections. Though antiretroviral therapy has turned HIV into a manageable condition, it remains a major public health issue, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa, compounded by social stigma. At number 4, we have tuberculosis, or TB, a disease that has been with us for millennia. TB is a bacterial infection that primarily affects the lungs, though it can spread to other parts of the body. What makes tuberculosis particularly dangerous is its ability to remain dormant in the body for years before reactivating. It's often associated with poverty, overcrowding, and weakened immune systems, making it a major health issue in developing countries. The rise of antibiotic-resistant strains of TB has added a new layer of complexity to its treatment, making it a disease that requires constant vigilance. Number 3 is malaria, a disease that has been eradicated in many parts of the world, but still looms large in others. This mosquito-borne disease is one of the oldest known to humankind, with records dating back to ancient Egypt. Malaria is particularly devastating because of how it exploits one of the smallest, most common creatures on Earth, the mosquito. It's a disease that thrives in tropical and subtropical regions, where it continues to kill hundreds of thousands of people annually, particularly young children. The fight against malaria is ongoing, with efforts focused on prevention through mosquito control and the development of a vaccine. At number 2, we have cancer, a disease that's almost synonymous with fear. It's not just one disease, but a collection of over 100 different diseases, all characterized by the uncontrolled division of abnormal cells. Cancer can develop in nearly any part of the body, making it incredibly versatile and deadly. Despite enormous progress in understanding and treating cancer, it remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The unpredictability of its onset, the variety of its forms, and the challenges in treatment make cancer a formidable adversary in the medical world. And finally, at number 1, we have cholera, a disease that has been a part of human history for thousands of years, causing more suffering than we can imagine. This particular disease is infamous for how it spreads, thriving in conditions where sanitation is poor. It doesn't discriminate, affecting the rich and poor alike, leading to severe pain, organ failure, and often death. Despite medical advancements, cholera still affects millions of people globally every year. As you think about it, you might realize that it's been a recurring theme in history books and medical journals. So, there you have it, a journey through the top 10 most significant diseases in human history. These diseases have shaped societies, influenced the course of history, and continue to impact millions of lives every year. While we've made incredible strides in understanding and treating many of these conditions, the battle is far from over. Each of these diseases serves as a reminder of the fragility of human life and the importance of ongoing medical research and public health efforts. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos, and let us know in the comments which disease surprised you the most. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.